Service to Iceria. Ihayan na natin. Ilagay na. Kasunod, nakuha ng una. Hindi na-receive, demand ng ayaw. The score is 7-16. Lamang ba rin ang isa ang pick? Sata Letra. Service by Mendoza. Receive by Padua. Kuha nila natin. Ikaw, Garcia. Score is all 17. Service by Mendoza. Receive by Garcia. Kuha ni Hayat. Sinabikir. Kumalo si Una. Nahirap ang Una. Garcia. Score is 17-18. Lamang ng isa ang ating Gray Letra. Service by Mendoza. Siyempre, go to go. Score is all 18.
Sabi ko yung balik na agad yung bola kay Mama. Sabi namin.
Service by Garcia. Hold the ball. Sinabikir. Score is 18-19. Lamang ng isa ang Gray Letra. Service by Dirain. Service by Dirain. Not good. Score is all 19. Service by Magdalena. Receive by Mara. Ilagay ni Quinta. Outside. Score is 20-19. Saan naman ang Pink Batang Letra. Service by Mike Cabata. Inside. Score is 21-19. Service by Marvin Cabado. Nakuha ni Jesus Cabado. Nakuha ni Dirain. Nakuha ni Cabado. Nakuha ni Fred. Kumala ni Fred. Touch na si Uno. Score is 22-19. Nadala ang kailangan ng Pink Batang Letra. Service by Marvin. Nakuha ni Princess. Kumalo si Kay. Wide right third. Kasi the flag si Kay. Kaya na right third. Isa na lang ang kailangan ng Kay para makuha ang ating first set.
Substitution. Morgan Al Poneti. Service by Syria. Ako ba ni Mamade? Service by Jairo. Score is 17-13. Service by Zubista. Not received by Pole. Score is 18-13. Service Zulika. Outside. Score is 15-14. Service by Kawa. Received by Pin. Number. Received by Bole. Nakuha ni Bole. Tumalot. Nakuha ni Marvin. Nakuha ni Bole. Nakuha ni Greg. Dan lang po, Team Uno. Score, 18-15. Service by Kawa. Inoverting Nato. Received by Jairus. Outside. Score is 19-15. Coach mo ng team, pusok ka po. Score is 19-15. Tatlo na lang ang makabulin. Receive by Pale. Number 8, nakuha ni Marquis. Number, nakuha ni Bella. Outside. Score is 19-15. Ang ating day letra. Nakuha ni Cecilia. Nakuha ni Marquis. Score is 20-17. Lubaan naman ng gray letra. Service by Bole. Kumalo si Greg. Nakuha ni Marquis. Over. Over. Nagkahiyaan ang dalawa. Score is 21-17. Service by Cabalde. Receive by Cecilia. Over.
Lagay nyo lang sa likod. Sige lang, go lang.
Score is 22-17.
Bilis! Kabanan nyo ng block yung lalaki sa harap.
Service by Cabalde. Second kalan. Score is 18-22. Apat pa ang kailangan kabulin ng ating Pink Batang Netra.
Sa likod.
Service by Cabalde. Outside. Warning. 18.
Sa likod, ha? Pre, sa likod. Lagay nyo sa likod.
Service
Yan!
by Kapa. Nakuha ni Cabalde. Pinakuha ni Beckman. Nakuha ni Han. Over.
Nice!
Score is 23-19. Apat pa ang nakabuli ng ating Pink Batang Letra. Nakuha ni Bole. Nakuha ni Han. Minty by Han. Last 19. Finish by Rapa. Number 3. End of the second set. By the score of 19-25. Panalo ang ating Green Letra. Number 10 na. Pangit. Number 3 ha. Number 10 E.
Kami, easy ba?
Service by Ode. Score is 25. By the Big Score is 21-5. Service by Mendoza, nariting Kapwa, Sigin na Balde, Kapwa, ginawa ni Igor, pumalo si Uno, nakuha ni Mark, nakuha ni Mara, nakuha ni Marquis, outside. Score is 22-5. Gusto by Kapwa, outside. Warning! 5. Moving to the Jordan, nakuha ni Marquis. Princess, nakuha ni Kurt, nakuha ni Marquis. Kurt, nakuha ni Ome. Nakuha ni Princess, pumalo si Marquis. Score is 23-3. Outside, last hit. Last 7. Nakuha ni Tapos. Sinabi na kasi. 5. Tapos. 4. 24-8. Outside. Score is 24-9.